Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you guys my most versatile power charger or wall charger that I use when I travel. This is called the RAVPower Super C wall charger. It supports USB-C and USB Type A, but not only that, it has 61 watts of power and it supports power delivery. This is TK, let's check it out. As I mentioned to you guys, the company's RAVPower Super C 61 watt 2-port wall charger. It supports 61 watts of power, 2 ports, and it does support power delivery, which is really functional, especially for devices that are supporting it. Now in the box, we'll have the user manual and of course the thank you card, basically just asking us to check it out and what the coverage that we have as far as the free warranty coverage and support. Now looking over the actual brick itself, this is a US style plug. We don't have a way of changing it. They don't include any additional plugs. So make sure you get the one that's compatible with your market. Some information at the bottom, and on the front we have a USB-C, well, USB-C with power delivery support and USB Type A, which is iSmart. Their technology that's meant to basically provide the right amount of power for your device for whatever it needs. And of course we have an LED light. They do not provide a cable, they don't provide anything. This is intended to just work with your existing setup, but what's really cool about this is that this is definitely a lot smaller than my charger on my MacBook Pro. Now looking over some of the specifications that we have here, on the power delivery output port, we can go and look at it and you guys can actually pretty much just freeze frame here and then look at all the information that you have, specifically to see if this will be compatible with whatever you're trying to use it for. For us, what I really want to try to do now is I'm going to plug this into my wall outlet and I'm going to run a power USB-C cable using the PD option, and I'm going to show you that it not only works on my MacBook Pro, it'll work with my Switch, it'll work with my tablets, it'll work with my phones. It's really, although it doesn't have a lot of ports, it's still very functional, and it will charge your MacBook Pro. No issues, no problem. This could literally be your one charger that you take with you when you travel. Now I know that my power level here is 100%, but I wanted to share with you guys that at least it does register on the actual Mac, and you can definitely see right there that that little lightning option came on as soon as I plug it in. So turn it off, it's 99%, plug it again. It'll be at 99%, and within a few minutes it'll basically be back at 100%. It's very functional, and this is the 15.6 MacBook Pro. So I'm not talking about a smaller, let's say the 13-inch. This is the 15.6, the big guy. Definitely handles it, and it does a great job with it. Of course, it goes without saying that we should be able to use it directly on our, right there. Console is 100%. Obviously, I need to get something that is not 100% to be able to show you guys that it actually still works. But definitely still works. And you can see right there, console battery is 100%. You can plug it in, charge up your Switch, charge up your MacBook Pro, and then, of course, you want to be able to charge up your smartphone. So this is my Pixel 3 XL. Let's go ahead and plug it in. And you can see pretty much right there, the lightning bolt. Let's go and turn off the screen. And it says right there, charging rapidly. So power delivery support, specifically with devices that do support it, this will definitely be very nice. And the last thing I want to show you guys is this is my Pixel Book. Again, receives power over USB-C. So let's go ahead and connect it right there. And we'll see the power level right there, and we'll see that little lightning show up. And of course, it says calculating right there from 71%. And I'll give it a second. It'll take about 27 minutes to go to 100%. So definitely charging and providing the best amount of power to our devices. One of the biggest challenges about traveling with my MacBook Pro is that when I travel, I have to use this brick. This power brick only charges my MacBook Pro, and it has only one port, which is the USB-C port. The RAVPower not only has the similar USB-C port, but it also has that USB Type A port for your smartphones, not having us basically carry additional chargers to be able to use them. Just bring in the cable for your smartphone, plug it in, plug in your laptop, and you're set to go. And on top of that, this is the size difference. It's actually smaller than the standard MacBook Pro charger. Nothing's wrong with the charger, and obviously we should be able to use it. But when you want to have more and space is at a premium when you're traveling, I definitely would appreciate having more ports and definitely the support for so many varieties of devices as I showed you today. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much to RAVPower for allowing me to check out this charger and share with you guys my opinions. And of course, links will be in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video.